Bitcoin explained like you are 5 years old. Imagine a magical internet piggy bank. Once upon a time, there was a magical piggy bank on the internet. This piggy bank wasn't made of plastic or metal. It wasn't in a bank building. It didn't live under your bed. It lived on computers all around the world. Everyone could see it. Everyone could check it. Nobody could steal from it. Nobody could break it. Nobody could cheat it. This magical piggy bank is called Bitcoin. Bitcoin is money on the internet that does not need banks, governments, bosses, or permission. It just exists like magic, but it's actually math, technology, and rules. This story explains Bitcoin in a simple way, like explaining it to a 5-year-old child, but grown-ups can still learn a lot too. Chapter 1. What is money? Really? Money is something people use to trade for what they want. Money is not special because of the paper or metal. Money is special because people believe in it. Money is like a ticket that lets you trade for things. To a child, money feels like, I give money, I get chocolate. I give money, I get a toy. I give money, I get ice cream. So money is a tool for trading. But money today has problems. Banks control it, so you need permission. Governments print more, so your money loses value. Scammers can cheat, lie, or steal. Sending money can be slow. Not everyone can get a bank account, so people wondered, what if we made a better money? Chapter 2. The genius named Satoshi. In 2008, a mysterious person named Satoshi Nakamoto invented Bitcoin. Nobody knows if Satoshi is a man, woman, group, genius, or wizard. Satoshi asked an important question. What if money didn't need banks? What if money lived on the internet? What if anyone could use it? What if nobody could cheat? That idea became Bitcoin in 2009. Chapter 3. The rules of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is like a game with unbreakable rules. 1. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. 2. Nobody can make more than that. 3. You don't need permission to use it. 4. You can send it to anyone in the world. 5. It works 24/7, no closing time. 6. No government or bank controls it. Bitcoin is like a cookie jar nobody can secretly add cookies to, a game where nobody can cheat, a piggy bank nobody can break, a playground where everyone is allowed. Chapter 4. The Global Book. Blockchain. Bitcoin runs on something called a blockchain. A blockchain is like a giant book everyone can read. Everyone can see each page. Everyone can check that it's correct, but nobody can erase or change past pages. Block equals a page of information. Chain equals the pages locked together forever. Once a page is written, it stays forever. It's like writing with a pen instead of a pencil. It's like gluing pages so nobody can remove them. It's like a diary that can never be ripped apart. Chapter 5. The helpers. Miners. Bitcoin has helpers called miners. Miners are computers that protect the network. They solve math puzzles to check transactions. When miners do this work, the network rewards them with new Bitcoins. This is how new Bitcoin is made. Not with banks, not with printing machines, not with government orders. Bitcoin is created by computers solving honest math problems. Chapter 6. Why Bitcoin is smart money. Bitcoin is like a superhero version of money. Superpowers. Fast, send it in minutes. Borderless, works everywhere. Transparent, everyone sees the rules. Private, nobody needs to know who you are. Protected, hackers can't break it. Strong, nobody can print more. And the greatest superpower? There will only ever be 21 million. It's scarce like diamonds, rare toys, golden tickets. The world can want more Bitcoin, but no one can make more. Chapter 7. Why Bitcoin goes up in value. If 10 cookies exist and 20 kids want them, the cookies become valuable. If more kids show up wanting cookies, the price goes up even more. That is Bitcoin. More people want it. Very little exists, so the price grows. Chapter 8. Why the world needs Bitcoin. Millions of people need Bitcoin because their money loses value. Banks charge high fees. Governments freeze accounts. Sending money takes days. They can't get a bank account. Bitcoin gives power back to the people. For the first time in history, a person in Africa, a farmer in India, a student in Brazil, a mother in Thailand, and a worker in the UK can all use the same money. No permission needed, no gatekeepers, no waiting. Chapter 9. Bitcoin versus banks. Banks close on weekends, freeze accounts, require ID and permission, can print money, can change rules. Bitcoin, open 24/7. Nobody can freeze your money, no permission need, fixed supply forever. Rules cannot change. Bitcoin equals freedom. Banks equal permission. Chapter 10. Bitcoin is not perfect. Bitcoin is powerful, but not perfect. Sometimes, the price goes up and down like a roller coaster. It can be confusing to new people. It can be slow when busy. It takes time to understand fully. But even with flaws, it is the best version of money humans ever created. Chapter 11. The future. With Bitcoin. Imagine a world where kids get allowance in Bitcoin. You buy toys with Bitcoin. You travel and pay with Bitcoin. Countries save Bitcoin like gold. Phones have Bitcoin wallets. Video games reward Bitcoin. This world is coming. Chapter 12. The magic of belief. Belief is powerful. Bitcoin works because people believe in it, and because the math keeps it honest. It is belief plus technology. Trust plus rules. Freedom plus math. Bitcoin is the people's money. Conclusion. Bitcoin is digital money, global money, scarce money, permissionless money, borderless money, protected by math, limited to 21 million, controlled by everyone, owned by no one. Bitcoin is more than money. It is a revolution, the end or the beginning. Stay awake, stay aware. This is Felix. See you next time.